Saving with Shay. I'm here for Walgreens. Listen, y'all, I totally skipped out last week on CVS and Walgreens because the week just got ahead of me. I did go to CVS twice. They didn't have nothing. They shelves was clear. I was just like, what? I didn't even try coming to Walgreens, to be honest. And so but today we're at Walgreens. If you are new here, hello. If you're new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face, I am Shay, pal. Definitely take a second to subscribe. Also, make sure you smash like button before we go. So I'm going into Walgreens, y'all. Listen, I have to do 4 or 5 transactions, I want to say. I'm hoping it works out. Lately it's been pretty cool. Like, the cashiers have been super amazing, and I've been trying to remind myself to do their surveys because I know that those surveys really help them out, especially the cashiers that's sitting there letting me do 4 or 5 transactions. Yeah. And so hopefully they have everything that I need. I am starting off with $10 in registry rewards. I think I have $6 or $7 in points to work with as well. We have some Ibotta offers too, which will make this even better. I'm gonna try a deal for Swagbucks and check out 51 too. I haven't really did a lot of offers on the sister apps at the drugstores, so I'm just curious to see how the deal is gonna work out. And so with that being said, we're going to head into Walgreens. We're going to see what kind of awesome deals that we can grab. If you want to see what your girl got, you know what to do. Keep on watching. All right, y'all. So the first deal that we're going to do is on the Shea Moisture. They're on promo. It is spend 20, get back 10. I'm going to grab the oils again, the scope oils. They're priced at $10. We'll grab 2 of them. That total is going to come to $20. We do have a 5 off of 2 digital that we're going to use. We'll pay $15. We'll get back the 10, bringing those down to only $2.50 each. I would check Fetch Reward because there may be offers for that, making it even cheaper. That's a mess. I'm sorry. That's what happens when you take a week off. You come back and you don't know what the hell you're doing. I totally forgot to clip the digital. Didn't even realize it. The manager was super freaking nice. She gave me $5 in points, which I know that they don't normally do that anymore. But she gave me $5 in points, and then I also got this 3 off of 15, so we'll use that on our next transaction. So total was 10. Should have been 5, obviously. So I mean, it still works out as $5 or $2.50 each, which is still not bad. This transaction works out better. We're gonna put 2 deals together because we're rolling a $10 rewards, and on top of that, we're gonna also be using the paper booster, spend 15, get back 3. And so we're gonna start off with the oral care. Oral B is on sale for $3.50. They're buy 3, get back 5, and for that we have a 5 off of 3 digital that we're gonna be using. I think I'm gonna grab the toothpaste though. And so we're gonna grab a total of 3. Again, we have that 5 off of 3 digital. We'll end up paying $5.50. We'll get back 5 in rewards, bringing these down to 50 cents for all 3, which is a pretty awesome. Next up, we're gonna be doing the Garnier Fruit Teas. They are on sale for $3.99 or select ones. They're buy 2, get back $3 in registry rewards. So for this, we're gonna grab 2 of them. That total is gonna come to $7.98. Using that 3 off of 2 digital, we'll pay $4.98. We'll get back $3 in registry rewards. We'll also get back $3 for buying 2 on Ibotta, making this a $1.02 moneymaker. So let's go check out. All right, so that worked out perfect. There goes the fruit taste. There goes our Crest. We used $8 in digital coupons. We rolled that $10 registry reward from the previous transaction. So total was 48 cents. And we got back the 8 in rewards. And we got back 3 in points. So I was trying to submit the receipt for Ibotta for the ones that I got, which was a Sleek and Shine. It's not picking it up, and so that's my fault for not even scanning it to make sure that it, the product that I get works. I just read the description, and so it doesn't look like any of the shampoos or conditioners are scanning for the offer. But all of these stylers are scanning for Ibotta, so if you don't want to worry about putting a support ticket in, I would definitely grab the stylers instead. Like I scanned all of the shampoo conditioners, none of them worked. However, again, the stylers all scanned. These two up here scanned, and these two scanned as well. So just a heads up on that. So this next transaction I'm gonna go ahead and do is gonna be on the Crest. Select ones are priced at $9, and it's buy two, get back three. So I'm going to be grabbing the Brilliance one right here, the Vibrant Peppermint, priced at $9. We have a $4 digital for that one. I'm also going to grab the Gum Enamel and Restore, also priced at $9. And we also have a different $4 digital for that one. That's going to bring the total down to $10 out of pocket. You'll get back $3 in rewards, plus we'll also get back $3 for each on Ibotta, bringing them down to only 50 cents each. Alright, so this is how this transaction worked out. It worked out pretty good. We rolled the $8 in rewards. Subtotal was $2. I did use $3 in points and got back the 3. I also did get back the 6 on Ibotta. And so yeah. Alright, so my next deal is going to be on the soft soap. They are on sale for $5.99. And they are buy two get back 3. Now for this, we're grabbing a total of 2 of them. The total is going to be $11.98. For this, we have a 4 off 2 digital. That's going to bring our total down to $7.98. We'll get back a $3 registry reward. There's also a $2 offer on Ibotta with a limit of 1, bringing these down to $1.49 each. All right, so I think I'm going to roll that $3 reward from the soft soap into the Axe deal, which is definitely not a bad deal. So they are buy one get one 50% off, and for the deodorants we have a $7.50 off of 2 digital, which is pretty cool. The first one's going to be $7.49. The second one is going to be $3.74. That total is going to come to $11.23. We'll use that $7.50 off of 2 digital, which will then bring our total down to $3.73, making them only $1.86 each. I just realized she might not let me use this on the soft soap, so we're going to see what she does. If I can't use it, I might have to use Walgreens cash. And so, yeah, we'll see. So that was a negative. I didn't think she was going to let me use it. And so I ended up rolling $5 in points for the soft soap deal. It was a 4 off of 2 digital. Subtotal after points, $2.98. Got back $3 in registry rewards, $2 on Ibotta. And I rolled a $3 registry reward on the Axe, which I'm trying to get together a little care package for David. Y'all know my oldest, David. He'll be 19 in October. He's in Pittsburgh with his dad. So I've been getting together a care package for him. So I wanted to grab the Axe for him. Buy one get one 50% off. There goes a $7.50 digital off of 2. I rolled a $3 reward from the soft soap. And paid a subtotal of $160. I'm going to mention this deal on the Werthers. It's a pretty decent deal. There are no rewards back. Well, no registry rewards back, no points back. But we do have an offer on Swagbucks as well as Checkout 51. They're on sale for 2 for $5. So you want to grab 2 of them. You'll pay $5. You'll get back $4 for buying 2 on Swagbucks. We'll also be getting back 95 cents for each one on Checkout 51, making them both free plus a 90-cent moneymaker. Now, this is a deal you can max out and grab 4 bags on one receipt. And that's probably what I'm going to go ahead and just do. And so, yeah, not bad deal. All right, y'all. So listen, here is my complete haul for today. This worked out so amazing. Like, the manager was awesome. The cashier was awesome. They let me knock out 6 transactions. They was patient. They was super awesome. I told you the one manager gave me $5 in points for the Shea Moisture digital that I forgot to clip. Which is really, really awesome. I would much rather them do that than have to reach out to support. I have a question for y'all. Okay, so with the Shea Moisture, I forgot to clip the digital. She gave me points. I still have the digital. If I do that deal again with the digital, will I get back a $10 reward again? Or is it like 1 per account type of situation? Because I realized I have a fresh reward offer for 75 cents for each of them. I think I have like 3 redemptions left. There's also a deodorant offer that's spend 30, get back 4. And these tracked towards that. So I only have to spend $10 more. So if I grab this set again with the digital, I'll pay $15, I'll get back a $10 reward, and then I'll get back the 4 plus 75 cents for that final redemption. So it'll make those like 25 cents for the 2 or like 12 cents each, which is really awesome. So yeah, I mean, if I can't do it on the same account for this stuff, I can always do it on my other account though. But I definitely will be doing that deal again for sure. As far as the Werthers, I will pop up my receipt for that deal. I did use $2 in points on that transaction, paid $8. The receipt for Swagbucks, it did go straight through for me, so I did get back the $8. As far as checkout 51, that one is in review. I know that some people are not comfortable with doing Swagbucks in checkout 51. I'm not one of them. But the way that I do it is if the offer is more than checkout 51, I will always do Swagbucks first, and then I'll do checkout 51. Even if you only do Swagbucks, it makes them 50 cents per bag, which is definitely not a bad deal. So I will definitely be doing that deal again on Joseph's checkout 51 account. And so with that being said, we're gonna run through these numbers. I did show you guys all my receipts already. And so everything you see here retails $89.69. We had $32.50 in coupons, which brought the out-of-pocket down to $57.19. Now my sales tax for this was $6.18. And then if you're not rolling your rewards, you walk away with $24 in registry rewards. I did have a paper booster, spend 15, get back 3. And then $11 from Ibotta, 8 from Swagbucks, $3.80 from Checkout 51, $1.50 from Fetch, brings back a total of $51.30 in rebates and rewards. So it nets everything you see here at $5.89, y'all, which is really, really awesome. So freaking awesome. Like less than $6 for all of this. And I already told y'all I'm getting together a care package for David. Y'all know he's about to be 19 in October. Josiah is going to be 10 in October, which is great. Yeah. Where's the time go? I don't know. But I'm getting him a care package together. I did mention that I rolled for this haul. So I started with $10 in rewards. I also had, I want to say $6.50 in points that I rolled. I did earn $3 in points for a paper booster for this haul as well. So we rolled a total of $46 between rewards and points for this haul. So obviously I didn't pay $57.19 out of pocket. But I do still walk away with what I got back from the rebate apps and this $3 reward. You know, because my cashier, she's a little librarian, you know, and I'm not complaining because I like me some librarians, you know what I mean? And so she read it and said, no, ma'am, you can't do that. And so I went and I had a seat. And so I will definitely be using that before it expires on the 19th. And with that being said, I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.